Time to press ahead. That will fit in my pack. Here we go. Forget it. It's blocked from behind.
Lost in thought.
There is work to do.
Quite ready for you.
Charmed, I'm sure. The pride of the gate.
No time to rest. Have to keep going.
What's on your mind? Let's hope Damon is as good as he seems. Once my engine's handled, I can focus on more important matters. Tadpoles, cults, frosty pints.
Always makes my day better.
May the darkness protect you.
Rings a bell? Why? Oh, hells. You didn't pick that by hand, did you? They're deadly poisonous. Joking! They're safe. And beautiful. Thank you. I don't have anything to give you in return, I'm afraid. We'll see. Give me a while to put my imagination to work. Pain is the gauntlet that all who love Lady Shah must endure. Only her embrace can truly heal me. To try and salve myself would do nothing but shame me in the Night Singer's eyes. Perhaps you're right. And perhaps one day I won't have to suffer. But I don't think that day has arrived yet. Lady Shah will ease my pain when she wishes to. Difficult to say. A fellow servant of the Night Singer would surely be an ally to me under most circumstances. But something doesn't add up. I'll need to see where his allegiances truly lie.
Fine. What's on your mind?
I don't think I've ever had a confidant quite like you. And if I have, I can't remember them. After all, what I shared with you about my past, about being saved from the wolf, that is not something I would normally even dream of sharing.
What's on your mind? Oh, sorry. I didn't see you standing there. Lost in the steps, truth be told. I need them to be just right. I wouldn't want to fail my new partner. As luck would have it, he just arrived. May I have this dance? Are you sure? I've been rehearsing, you know. I'd hate to put all that effort to waste. Oh. I mean, yes, of course. The sun only rests for so long.
I saw you training those children. You were so gentle. That's not how I was taught.
Cruel words strengthen neither heads nor hearts, Shadowheart.
An alibi. That might be worth a look. Dr. Hay. Let's have a look.
What's next? Let's try this way.
like this would only be merited in the most prosperous of settlements. This was once a thriving trade route.
Should it be any wonder that Yondar's waters carry merchant vessels from as far east as Burdusk?
All right.
And they wouldn't have brought just trade goods, but song, dance, and custom, riches of the mind and the spirit. So much was lost when the darkness fell.
At least things have stayed interesting. Moving in.
So, Will, what was the Blade of Frontier's toughest kill?
Ah, it was a great scrap. A hungry minotaur with a hankering for human flesh. An axe-bearing mountain of fur she was. Gave me a nasty scar.
I hope you don't mind if I don't ask to see it.
Direct me.
Defender of the people.
Silence is gold. Let's move.
The hero at heart.
Elminster's not around, so might as well.
No time to dally. On I go. Let's see what we have here.
Best get going. Breathe deep and move.
2 steps at a time. Lovely day, this. For now. May it please, Mistress.
I am ready.
No one stopped me yet.
Best foot forward. Seek and you shall find me. On my way.
Shouldn't have wished to live in more interesting times. These boots have seen everything. Cursed to put my hands on everything.
The Blade of Frontiers at your calling. Are you sure? The blade stands at the ready. And just when things were warming up.
Something good here. I hope.
Well, hello. What can I do for you? Cazador, sired 7 spawn. Me and my 6 brothers and sisters. I was one of his first. Some of the others came years later. He was a monster to us all, but did take special pleasure in my pain. He said my screams sounded sweetest. And now that I'm gone, I don't know. I pity the other 6. Darling, I thought you'd never ask. Lead on. Keep a blade close. Let's crack it open.
Is that blood? No, never mind. Light on my feet. That might be worth a look. Anything of use? Wish I had a bag of holding.
Someone there? Certainly.
Looking ahead. On my way. No traps, please. I'll give it a shot.
We're close. I can feel it. The Absolute. Its power is strong here.
Take your...
What to do? Moving ahead. That sign above. This must be a brewery. Or distillery.
I could use a drink after wandering these ruins.
Careful, I bite.
Still breathing, despite everything. Wonder if the gods are watching me.
What's on your mind? I question the wisdom of that decision, but so be it. I'll be here in the meantime, idling away the hours.
Well met. Then we know our mission. All roads converge at moonrise. I was 11 when the Councillor spotted and slayed an assassin who stalked Father from the shadows. I was 13 when she brought word of a goblin warband advancing on Rivington. Her keen scouting saved 100 lives that day. The Councillor's loyalty to my father is beyond question. She's as steady as Tyr's heartbeat, as upstanding as the Sword Mountains. Father's at Moonrise Towers, and we need to save him. We can't and we won't. The shadows be damned. That's the spirit.
We used to dance. Use the pride of the gate. A word, if I may. I don't know you. Perhaps I forgot you. Keep in pace.
Some grotesques in my time, but this is something else.
He's been cursed to the hells and back.
Have to keep going.